Hello, and here's my video on making Lorne sausages, which are square sausages in an air fryer. Lorne sausages are basically sausage meat that's in a sort of like Lorne shape, which is just slightly off square. So you can see these sausages, just beef meat. They're not steak mince or anything like that, so they're not steak Lorne sausages. They're 9% fat apparently, but I'm going to place these in the air fryer, which I've already put on for just over 2.5 minutes. So I'm just going to in fact I'll just leave them side down. We'll try stacking one on this side. In fact, we'll just try and place these a little bit better. That should do. So I'm going to put these in the air fryer, which I've put on for say another 12 minutes, and the temperature was up at 200, but I'm going to turn that down to around about 180. And so that's them in. I'll come back to the air fryer in 12 minutes and see how they are. Okay, thanks. Hello, so that's 12 minutes after I did actually turn these over, and they are actually all well cooked, so 12 minutes is a good time for these to give them that sort of look about them. There's this one here on the right, it's nicely brown, nicely cooked, and proof is in the pudding, so I'll quickly taste one here. So actually very nice, typical Lorne sausage. That one is actually roasting, it's very warm. It's just went down the back of the throat, so very, very hot. So 12 minutes in air fryer is a great time for cooking Lorne sausages. Hope you enjoyed a quick vid. Thanks very much for watching. If you like, please subscribe.